Unveiling the spotlight. The art of upstaging everyone. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations about performances, competitions, and even in everyday life situations. The phrase we're exploring is upstaging everyone. Stick with us to uncover what it means, how to use it, and why it's an interesting part of the English language. First things first, let's break down what upstaging means. To upstage someone means to divert attention from them to oneself, often in a performance setting. Imagine an actor on stage who moves to a position that makes the audience look at them instead of the main performer. That's upstaging in its original theatrical sense. However, it's not just limited to theater. This concept can apply in any situation where someone takes the spotlight, intentionally or not. The term upstaging has evolved from its literal stage origins to a metaphorical use in everyday language. When we say someone is upstaging everyone, we mean they're outshining others in a particular setting or situation. It could be at a wedding, a work presentation, a sports game, or even during a casual gathering. It's about grabbing the spotlight, often leaving others in the shadow, whether through charm, skills, or sometimes, tactics that might not be entirely fair. Let's look at some examples to see upstaging everyone in action. In a workplace meeting, if one person dominates the conversation with their ideas, overshadowing their colleagues, they're upstaging everyone. At a party, if a guest arrives wearing something incredibly extravagant, drawing all attention to themselves, they're upstaging everyone else there. In sports, if a player scores a spectacular goal or achieves something remarkable, overshadowing the rest of the team's efforts, they're upstaging everyone. Now that we understand what it means to upstage someone, let's practice using it. Remember, while it can be used in a neutral context, it often carries a negative connotation. Here are a few sentence examples. The lead guitarist's solo was so breathtaking, he ended up upstaging everyone else in the band. During the group presentation, Laura's compelling speech upstaged everyone, leaving little room for her teammates to shine. The newcomer's innovative approach upstaged everyone at the workshop, making him the talk of the day. And there you have it. We've explored the intriguing phrase, upstaging everyone, from its theatrical roots to its contemporary use in everyday English. Whether in the arts or in life, upstaging can be a powerful dynamic, for better or worse. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and enriched your understanding of the English language. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and nuances they convey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content.